Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Medicare.gov account for insurance coverage lookup step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Medicare.gov and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. If you don't have an account, look for the create an account link below the sign in fields. Click on create an account. You will now see a page with information about the account creation process. Read through the guidelines and then click on Next to proceed. Enter your first name, last name, and email address in the required fields. Choose a secure password that meets the listed criteria. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Fill in your date of birth and select your state from the drop-down menu. Provide your Medicare number if you have one, or state that you do not. Complete any additional fields, such as your phone number. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Submit your application by clicking the Create Account button. You may receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Medicare.gov. Open the email and click on the provided verification link. Once verified, return to the Medicare.gov homepage. Click again on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Input your email and password to log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the Insurance Coverage Lookup feature. Follow the prompts to search for your insurance options based on your provided information. Review your coverage options carefully. Make sure to save any important details for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Medicare.gov account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.